Hey everyone, in today's video let me show you how you can iterate over a dictionary of lists in Python. This might seem a little bit too specific, but the idea here is to show you how you can easily work with something more complex than a simple list, a simple dictionary, a simple tuple, how you can combine multiple data structures and how you can work with them in some kind of data that's a little more complex than your everyday use case. Okay, so let's first begin by initializing a variable with the data we are going to need. So I'm going to create this dictionary. As keys, I'm going to use countries. So the first one is gonna be Germany, and as values, I'm gonna use car brands from these countries. In this case, for Germany, BMW and Mercedes. Okay, so another item can be, let's say, Japan, and then we have Honda and Toyota. Okay, so we have a dictionary, right? So we have keys and values. So this is a dictionary, but the value is actually a list. So how can we work with something like this? So first we have to iterate over the dictionary like this. So what we are doing here is we are using the items method from the dictionary that returns a tuple with keys and the values. Okay, then we unpack this tuple in two different variables. So this one will hold the keys and this one will hold the items, right? So now I'm gonna print the keys. So the car brands from key R, and then okay, this is enough for key, but then we need to work with the values, which are actually a list. So we have to use another for loop to iterate over this list and work with it. So for item in value list, and then I'm going to just print item, right? So let's see this in action. The car brands from Germany are BMW, Mercedes. The car brands from Japan are Honda and Toyota. Okay, so this is a simple example of how you can work with more than one data structure combined, and how you can use simple for loops to uh, work with this data and do anything you need in your project, in your scripts, in your programs. Okay, so that's it. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.